Thank you guys so much for making our dreams come true. I want to let you know to all of the people out there who want to do something special, something different with their lives, you know who you are. Those people out there that don't want to stand and live in someone else's shadows. We're listening, we believe in you, and we know that you'll make the life that you want for yourselves. We're betting on you, and we love you so much. Thank you. We never thought that we would ever be able to come to a beautiful and exotic place like Belarus. Land of the beautiful woman. And a pretty handsome man. Hey, all of the guys here tonight, make some noise. Just the guys, the men.
Как рота солдат.
And all the girls. Good to see you. No matter how many times that you told me to leave, no matter how many breaths that you took, you still couldn't breathe. No matter how many nights that you lie right awake to the sound of the pouring rain, where did you go? Where did you go? As days go by, nights on fire. Tell me, would you care to save my life? Tell me, would you care to run your life? Cries, such good singers. No matter how many deaths that I die,